Are you wondering how to tag someone on LinkedIn? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. So what I'd recommend doing is heading to your home interface, of course, logging in first, and this is going to present to you your feed. If you wanted to tag someone in a new post, then all you need to do is go to the top here, click on Start a New Post and type your message. So let's just put hello as an example. Then all you need to do to tag someone is press the @ symbol and then start typing their name. You can also, as you can see here, you can also assign companies or tag companies to include them as well. Now just consider that you don't necessarily have to have individuals as part of your network to tag them, but it is useful and it is something that I'd probably recommend. As you can see here, anyone can view this post once I've sent it on or posted it on LinkedIn. So that's how to tag someone on your own post. Now I'm going to discard that because it's not required. Now something else you can do is you can tag individuals in posts. So as an example, I'm following LinkedIn News UK. Let's say this is a bit of information or some news that somebody I know would be interested in. What you can do is you can go to the comment section below. So click on this kind of section here, or you could even press this button. Press comment and then you could say @ and then put the individual, and that's going to tag them to this particular news post. They'll get a notification and then they can view that bit of news, and just you can draw people's attention to it. So I hope this video is useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me to continue making videos like this, and do consider subscribing to my channel, particularly if you are new to LinkedIn or want to learn more about how to use the platform. I'm going to have a whole LinkedIn training library which you can learn from, so do check that out too.